Now it's that time on the show that you've all been waiting for with bated breath. It's time for some eye candy with Vikram Thapa and Arjun Rampal. Now many people say that Arjun Rampal was created on a Sunday, but so was Vikram Thapa, though God was on leave apparently on that day. It is quite a pity, isn't it, Vikram?
Well, of course, Beverly, coming from you, who's the whitest woman on any channel in this country.
Yeah!
But yes, that is quite true, and this is what Arjun Rampal had to say on the subject, considering the fact that he's back after 8 years into modeling.
Hi, I'm Arjun Rampal and I'm back.
Shah Rukh Khan was introducing him at the premiere of Om Shanti Om, and he said that in his opinion, Arjun is the best looking man in Bollywood. I tend to agree. I think God made him on a Sunday, bade pyar se, chiseled him and made him look like what he is. He just has to stand there, you put a light somewhere in the room and, or don't, and he still looks great.
And since nothing has changed in the looks department for Arjun, he's now back playing the role he's played best thus far in his career, that of a supermodel. On Tuesday, we caught up with Arjun during his photo shoot for a menswear brand in Mumbai.
I was being refrained from it for a long time because I wanted to really get into acting, and when I had gotten myself into acting, I wanted to purposely stay away from modeling so that that transition really happens. I think I achieved that. It took me a long time to achieve it. It took me about 7 to 8 years. And now, since that's happened, I thought the timing was correct to do a good brand, to do a stylish campaign.
Arjun's past couple of films have impressed at the box office. One reason he is now more than just a model, he is a celebrity, endorsing a brand.
I think it is more responsibility, firstly, to, make the whole thing look good, make it look like you want to come there and show them how to wear the clothes, style it correctly, make it more accessible to how people are, and not just get driven by fashion where, most people don't know how the hell they're going to wear those clothes.
But how is it different from being a model?
You get 2 more zeros at the end.
Yep, in the end, that's what it all comes down to. In Mumbai with Vikram Thapa, Beverly White for NDTV.
Tuba.com